Creating art doesn't have to be confined to a studio. Whether you're travelling, exploring nature, or just on the move, there are countless ways to capture the beauty around you. Here are 7 tips to help you create art on the go. My first tip is to use a portable easel. Using a compact portable easel makes it easy to paint or sketch while enjoying the outdoors. Using an easel that folds up makes it perfect for travelling. I'm using the Inspire tripod easel from Craft Geek, which is perfect for creating art on the go. It's quick and easy to set up, and the legs can be individually adjusted to make it stable on uneven surfaces. Portable easels like this can be adjusted to any height, which is perfect if you want to sit and paint while watching the world go by. It's also nice and easy to pack away once you're finished. My second tip is to keep it simple. Sometimes less is more, especially when you're on the move and have limited space to carry supplies. All you really need to create art on the go is a sketchbook or a few sheets of paper, a pencil and a pen. These supplies are lightweight and won't take up too much room in your bag. This is perfect for travelling on a plane or a bus, or when you're out hiking and you don't want to be weighed down by a heavy bag. Tip number 3 is to use travel-friendly supplies. Travel-friendly art supplies, such as paint markers or watercolour pens, are easy to carry and perfect for quick sketches. Another favourite of mine is an eraser that doubles as a pencil sharpener, which is a lifesaver when space is limited. If you're a watercolour artist, then a water brush would be perfect. Instead of having to carry around a jar of water that's sure to tip over, you just fill the brush with water and give it a little squeeze to get the water into the tip of the brush. You can use these with traditional watercolour paints and even with watercolour pens, making it super easy to paint on the go. Tip 4 is to keep it small. Small is key when you're on the go. Use smaller canvases, small paint tubes, and small sketchbooks. Compact supplies fit easily in your bag and don't take up too much space while you're out and about. Tip 5 is to use a paint palette with a lid. One of the best ways to keep your paints mess-free is by using a paint palette with a lid. You can even make your own from an old Tupperware box. It keeps everything neat and prevents spills, even on bumpy trails. I've created a tutorial showing you how to create your own wet palette, which is perfect for travelling as it's portable and keeps your paints wet and mess-free. I'll add a link to this tutorial in the description. Tip number 6 is to create digital art. For digital artists, an iPad or tablet is such a great tool for creating art on the go. It's portable, mess-free, and offers endless possibilities with lots of apps designed specifically for artists. Digital art is perfect if you're on public transport, and it's also great for creating art while outside in nature. If you're camping or going to be outside for a long time, then bring a portable charger with you so that your tablet always has battery. My final tip is to work with nature. Use natural elements like leaves, flowers, and stones to inspire your art. Leaf printing, for example, is a fun way to incorporate the world around you into your creations, and it can also mean that you don't have to carry as many supplies with you. Just make sure that you always take anything that you've used home with you and dispose of it properly. Nature is the best inspiration for artists, so it's important that we take care of it. With these simple tips you can create art anywhere, anytime. So grab your supplies, head outside and start making art wherever you are. I hope you have found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this.